around, just face all of us. And if I could just squeeze it so I can get my camera, I want to film some of this too. I have here I did a series of applications. The job of the mechanism to calculate the average of the temperature over the 10 seconds. And it pushes the results on the cloud. So while I was working on it for the first like 15 minutes, I was debugging the problem here that when the temperature was at the room temperature when it is normal, it displayed a green LED. When it is dangerously hot or cold, it displays a red LED, and when it is a little bit cold or a little bit hot, display and it lights in yellow. But the bug is it was lighting green when it is normal and red at the same time. So I was working on that before. Okay.
This project spots what physical and technical and temperature monitoring. So here we are using this bit and browser and temperature sensor. So when temperature is high, this rate the stranger tire to be red, and also when there is a low, there is change the color to be blue. Then there is a normal condition, there is display the green bars. Then to increase the temperature and
If you have patients, our official photographer here too, then you'll get all the professional photos here. Come on over here, hold that up like that. There we go.